Good afternoon, day 8, May 2026, 15 hours 46 minutes. We are kind of having the accountability a bit more faster than usual. We usually do once in a week at the Saturday when it's possible. But looks like that indeed New York City has a pace a bit faster, you know, as we check at the television. We had the last talk the regression as international credit, considering the governance risk and compliance. As international credit, it's affordable to apply international policies and observe the compliance in areas that affected or crossed the lines of this credit. In Brazil, this happened by the Brazilian Constitution, Article 37, paragraph number 6, with responsibility segmented as the civil responsibility, which is a compensation against the suppressed guarantees, even as any person individualized as one specific private living and privacy of an individual suppressed, having issues on it, and so the organization or planning activity as credit, social life, whatever, even sexual life, where the masturbation became an obsession of the very invasive criminal procedures of Brazil and peers in Brazil. Right? The size of your dick, how thick it is, very relevant things. The administrative, which is the dismissive order against those animals, right? My sites, they are a sort of animal, analphabetics. It's told, it's untouchable, guarantees and protection, spectral fields, but they do not respect, and of course that if do not respect the Brazilian Constitution and the Anglestone as premises, as protective premises of this Constitution, why do you consider that this stupid group will respect something else? Of course not. And the responsibility as criminality in Brazil, which are the Article 23, they crossed lines in the way they did, and the suppressed access as communication, or even contaminating your food, or putting substance that makes you have a heart attack, or a GPS to do a car crash on you, or even with lethality on it, which push and put ourselves in self-defense, and yet having one of the specified consequence criminal in Brazil, the suspension of the activity, disrupting, but they keep the influence by the ties as domain. Is a theory on Germany, Klaus Roxanne. We observe that this kind of thing go even after the retirement. They set establishment for criminality inside the institutional system in Brazil, very specific inside the public system, operating the public service with big attention at the public finances. 359A up to G are the crimes perpetrated by them. As human resource, institution, and flags involved. Brazil and peers in Brazil, we had a theory as economic and financial control started with the public budget. Of course, that we couldn't get the certification as economists in Brazil. We got in talk with the FBI in 2014 and US Defense, and had claimed at the time to have the Chicago School backing the economic technical knowledge at the FBI to understand how the interaction at the economic system had been made as organized crime. Brazil and peers, we are having this, and also USA and peers. But to keep this, the responsibles are human resource institutions and flags in solidarity. Crossing my lines and suppressing my guarantees allowed me to claim against them 10% of annual budget of them all as human resource institution and flags considering the international credit with follows as protection 227.28 trillions. At first, researching the human resources, which are the leaders and representatives as government, and the institution used by them, especially the public service locally, and the flags that operate the public service locally with human resources as representatives or bosses. Criminal organization, responsibility, criminal, administrative, dismissive order, and refund the public administration in Brazil because it's told by law, by constitutional rule, and the compensation by the damages and things made since 2004, all unexcused practice with equals in United States, disrespecting totally the US preamble, because this kind of things do not ensure the domestic tranquility. And the use of public budget setting the public debt in a not rational way indeed express the reason of the user, and the US Congress won't gonna have questioned the public debt, but the reason at the public debt that belong to a human resource that had the decision affect several American public institutions and corporative institutions, like the transference of public resources in a period of hikes, as told by the Fed Reserve in the United States, with flags obtaining benefit, instead ensure the domestic tranquility and the welfare and state as common good of the American people. Because this kind of thing hurt any person or flags anything as treason or spear, with conspiracy to set, conjuring to do, and treasonous practice to keep disrespecting the domestic tranquility as one of the anglestones as preamble, but also the fundamental premises in Brazil. Threatened the state. It's an aggression against the state by the state power or misuse in Brazil as USA Security Forum, USA Brazil, if amplified like the echoes we are having from Brazil to USA, this coming and going, willing, will be on NATO, will be at the OECD, at the Interpol, and the federal authorities in Brazil got in touch with the issue to feed the criminal groups in Brazil with information that there are several politicians, judges involved with sexual exploitation, drug cartel, narco, terror, thievery, as a statehood. And by this, Portugal, on Article 7, that are the rules of along the international community based that the European Union, common interest and purpose, and 14, as protection of the foreigner people abroad by the Portuguese state, and yet having the Article 21, which is the right as resistance, to sustain this state as protection inside the NATO as big bloc derogatory activity European Union Portugal, even as derogatory it's an official and a flag, threatened by Brazil peers, USA peers, and having the summit yesterday between them both and scheduled with the agenda as a next one. Which are your peers, Brazil? Which are your peers, USA? Because the leader in Brazil and the leader in USA are violating the domestic tranquility as United States and the Article 5 fundamental guarantees in Brazil, intentionally made, you both, right? Questioned by Portugal, NATO, derogatory. And then the peers are here, 0 up to 200 flags with the interval in the middle, because we erased, kind of wiping out and troubleshooting with 1 trillion applied, right? This is basically the idea, and the public debt, in the way had been doing, transferring money as common resource to corporative peers are attached on budget, even with the creative interfaces used to hide the financial traces and economic tails that are the residual registry of the illicit economic activity that isn't economic activity but criminal practice. white-collar crime as public corruption, internationally made as transnational organized crime, from Trust Global, represented locally at compadrios by leadership and bosses, especially on public service identified, delivered not only to the U.S. Congress but several institutions with the same subservient behavior if the issue is anti-crime. I mean, zero tolerance, right? You can't be related or attached with, and no institution talking globally and widely across the planet could have a decision against properly made, sufficient, satisfying the sheer right of this institution, flag, or even human resource, that for instance a king or a queen or an emperor, without being affected by the decision made against the organized crime, always halfway, and the residual of them combined indeed increased the corruption from department to the institution and several institutions at one specific domestic system related with others after having others as public corruption integrated, forming a criminal system and a systemic organization until the statehood offered conclusive on New York court by an excuse practice perpetrated in Brazil with responsibility told by the Constitution and responsibles identified not only by law but the self-incrimination they did, including holding the power by action or silence, right? As misuse, it's one of the angle stones to continue this kind of hideous activity and criminal organization at the state power through the public service operated as a criminal system, suppressing any person, societies, anything, to increase the need and dependence, calling help from the public service, held by criminals, unveiled and emblazing act expressing criminal purpose and practice on it, with institution, flags and human resource in absolute weaknesses as subservient behavior. About them, the solution is so simple since 2022, totally offered. Only happens inside the institutional system because they got entry and kept there someone, right? Dismantle them, putting them out, will force someone to have decision to replace them, and you have someone. Put them as someone boss top level out by impeachment or the institution, the others will be in a very first moment needing the influence from the outside. And then you can have this also tracked and traced, especially with the ultimate technology currently nowadays, that makes me quite clear that you know everything I'm talking about, but always playing, like the virginity of the prostitute. You are a joke, talking globally. With this monkey beast, the lunacy told against me, indeed, I represented that real facts, truly, truly real. In other words, the defamation go by procedure with signed order. It's a structured probation related with fake record that covered all crimes by specific hands, perpetrators of crime with staffs and medical staffs is very technical involved, supposed to be under dismissive order by criminal association, professional registration cancelled, refunding and compensating these international credit until the limit we have 227.28 trillion, and yet witnesses of the domain that have this structure and have the decision replace them once in a while, right? The model is delivered, we will raise the board and move forward to the next week, probably today, because looks like the situation is conclusive, but the conclusion is uncomfortable because no institution could do a decision and is still going on like this against the organized crime without being affected by this decision, because we have solidarity ties between you all involved caught in Brazil by my violated rights and guarantees, even as any person, it's individualized as my private living and my privacy. Have a great weekend.